Let's say I did a Google Ads course and I have a client I'm working with and can run his ads for free. I'm not charging him, okay? Just so that I can get acquaintance with Google Ads and hopefully I can get him sales in this niche. Is that a good way to learn? He is aware I'm new on this, but I did say I'm confident I can bring him results. That's good. The most important bit, nothing wrong in giving something away for free. I give this information. I spend my time over here teaching Google Ads for free. So the it's called the freemium model, right? I am giving away free information and teaching people how to do Google Ads in the hope that some of you will pay me to run their campaigns or learn from me. Nothing wrong with that at all. Some people frown upon it. Oh, don't give your time away for free. They are taking advantage of you and blah, blah, blah. As long as you are 100% honest with the client that you are new, but you are confident that you can get them the results, I see nothing wrong in that. In fact, I applaud you for taking the action because you are confident. And if you can get those results within 30 days, 45 days or so, I'm sure that that client is not going to go away from you. And then you start charging them. Build up that portfolio because all you would need is some kind of social proof, right? Get 10 clients like these, 10 testimonials, and then show those testimonials to your other or future clients. And you'll be on your way of keeping yourself very busy. Either set up a new little agency or as a freelancer, however you want to do it. But yeah, absolutely. This is one of the best ways to get clients if you are confident and you tell them exactly who you are, what you are doing, and why you are doing it. So when you say that I will work for you for free, what you should also add to this is, look, I'm going to work for you for free. What's the catch? The catch is that if you are happy with me and my service and the results I give you, all I ask in return is a little testimonial, either as a case study or a video. If you're happy with that, I'm happy to work for you for free. So you need to take something back as well in shape of a testimonial and not in the shape of a payment.